For 2025, Yamaha reintroduces the popular MT-03 with bold styling updates, enhanced features, and the same aggressive personality that made it a favorite among entry-level naked bike enthusiasts. Built on the same lightweight platform that blends performance and versatility, the new MT-03 cements its place as a top contender in the small displacement Streetfighter category. Visually, the 2025 MT-03 gets a refresh with sharper lines, new color options, and a more angular LED headlight design that emphasizes its fierce, predatory look. Yamaha's dark side of Japan design philosophy is clearly at play here, delivering an urban warrior with an intimidating road presence despite its compact size. The heart of the MT-03 remains the proven 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, liquid-cooled and DOHC, which produces around 42 horsepower and a linear torque delivery that's perfect for both city riding and spirited weekend outings. Mated to a smooth 6-speed gearbox, the MT-03 offers excellent acceleration and is forgiving enough for beginners while still fun for more experienced riders. One of the highlights of the 2025 update is the revised suspension tuning. The bike continues to feature a 37mm KYB upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock,
but with reworked internals for improved damping and stability, especially during cornering. The lightweight diamond-type steel frame keeps the bike nimble and responsive in traffic or twisty roads. The ergonomics remain friendly, with a slightly upright riding position, wide handlebars, and a narrow seat height of 30.7 inches, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. For 2025, Yamaha also improves rider comfort with a redesigned seat cushion and better vibration damping throughout the chassis.
Technology-wise, the 2025 MT-03 features a new full-color TFT display, replacing the older LCD unit. It now includes smartphone connectivity via Yamaha's Y-Connect app, allowing riders to receive call and message notifications, maintenance alerts, and even ride analytics. LED lighting is now standard throughout the bike, improving visibility and giving it a premium feel. Safety is also a priority. The 2025 model continues to feature ABS-equipped disc brakes, offering solid stopping power, while traction control is still absent to keep costs down.
The bike's predictable throttle response and balanced geometry make it a confidence-inspiring machine. The 2025 Yamaha MT-03 is an ideal choice for new riders looking for a first bike with style and substance,
or for commuters who want something lightweight, affordable, and exciting. With a starting price expected around $5,499, Yamaha delivers incredible value in a modern, aggressively styled package that's ready for any urban adventure.